Good morning, everyone. I am Sir Anthony. You can call me Sir Ton, and I will be your teacher for this subject, General Mathematics. So, before we start, can I ask you, um, how are you feeling today? So, are you happy? Are you sad? Are you angry? Are you worried? Shy? Are you excited? Surprised? Silly? Embarrassed? So I hope you are feeling good and feeling well today. Feeling well enough to learn something new about general mathematics. Okay, now let's have a review. As you remember, I already give you the link kung para saan natin makikita yung first video that I recorded yesterday and uploaded yesterday. No? I hope na nakita nyo lahat and watch the video for you to learn, and that is one of the prerequisite knowledge for this lesson. Okay? So review time. How can we identify the given relation if it is a function or not? We can identify it using two methods. First, we have the mapping, and then we also have the graph or the vertical line test. So for the mapping, just list down the given ordered pair, all the um, domain, just list down, and then also list down all the range and then connect it to its corresponding value. Then if it is one-to-one or many-to-one, it is a function. If it is not, if it is one-to-many, it is not a function. The given relation is not a function. Okay? And then we also have the vertical line test. You can use vertical line test. Just ano lang, just have a ruler or pencil, just represent a vertical line test, and then check it if your graph or the given graph touches our vertical line test more than 2 points, okay? If it is more than 2 points, it is not a relation. But if it is 1 point only, no, anywhere sa ato ang graph, 1 point lang iyang matouch, so it is a function. Okay, so that is our review. So we have, before we start our lesson proper, we will have our activity first. So this is called quick, and let's start. So I will give you a question lang or problem, math problem, no? Basic math problem, and then you just need to solve it. Okay? So feel free to pause this video if you want to answer. We have 42 first question. We have 42 plus 18 minus 50 times 2. We have negative 40. Correct? And then we also, next one is 6 divided by 2 times the quantity of 1 plus 2 is equal to, pause the video if you want. We have 9. And then also we have this very complicated looking big numbers, but it is very easy to solve if you know how to solve this one. So we have 9 minus 3 divided by 1/3 plus 1. Just pause the video and answer it. Okay, our answer is 1. So sir, how did we solve this properly, or how can we solve these problems properly? So we can solve this one using the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS rule, it means P for parenthesis, T for the exponent, and then M and D for the multiplication or division. It's either of the two, no? We need to follow the order. Sorry for that. We need to follow the order of the operation. Um, if the given has division first from left to right, and then next is multiplication, you need to solve first the division. Just like here in question number 2, we have 6 divided by 2 times the quantity of 1 plus 2. So we need to solve first the parenthesis, because that is the PEMDAS. 1 plus 2, we have 3, and then we have now 6 divided by 2 times 3. And then since division comes first, no, before the multiplication, so you need to divide first. So 6 divided by 2, we have 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So ano na siya? Okay? Next. Now let's proceed to our topic for this morning. We have the evaluating functions. Can I state to you our learning objectives? Okay. At the end of the learning session, you student can define function. You can evaluate a function critically, and you can share the importance of evaluating functions confidently. Okay, now let's proceed to our lesson proper. The example number 1, let function f, let f be a function defined by f of x is equal to 5x minus 3. If if the function is f of, sorry, again, let f be a function defined by f of x is equal to 5x minus 3. And then we are asked to find what is the function, or what is the answer or the evaluation of if our x is equal to -2. What is our x? Again, -2. So you observe f of x, and we have the given f of -2. So therefore, ang laman natin parenthesis, yung katabi ni f, that is our x. So just substitute. You have f of x is equal to 5x minus 3, and then f of -2 is equal to 5 times -2, that which is x na siya, and then minus 3. So you have f of -2 is equal to 5 times -2. On ang answer, that's why it become -10 minus 3. So combine like terms, you have now f of -2 is equal to -13. So that will be the final answer. That is the value of your f of -2 if the given function is f of x is equal to 5x minus 3. Okay. Next, example number 2. Let f be a function defined by f of x is equal to 5x minus 3. So what if our value of x is 1/2? So just follow the process, substitute the 1/2 to our x's. No? You have now f of 1/2 is equal to 5 times 1/2 minus 3. Then just multiply 5 to 1/2, you have f of 1/2 is equal to 5/2, or 5/2 minus 3. Then just subtract, you will have the answer na 1/2, f of x, f of 1/2 is equal to 1/2. So mauna siya ang final answer. Again, the final answer is f of 1/2 is equal to -1/2. Okay? So nakapalo ba? Okay, thank you. So now let's have an activity. I will post this activity to our Google Classroom na lang. Okay? Thank you. And this, the important of evaluating functions, this is also an activities, and I will post this in our Google Classroom. So, and this one, this is our evaluation. And also I will post this in our Google Classroom. The 3 activity. Okay? I hope you learned something for this day. And please search for more information and lesson about this topic. Okay? Thank you for watching and listening. Have a good day and goodbye. God bless everyone. Stay safe.